What's going on, everyone? This is Chris with American Wheel and Tire, and today I'm going to be showing off this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado RST. When we received this truck from our customer, you could say that it was pretty plain. Not a whole lot there. But after we got through with it, you can see we made quite a few changes. I first want to mention this Air Designs body kit that we installed that came complete with a hood scoop, lower air deflector, a functional fender vent that does cool the engine bay. You can also see the side skirts. This kit comes with a rear tailgate spoiler. We also added black vinyl inlays on the tailgate as well as blacking out the emblems. A couple other things that we did to this truck is we installed 24-inch Lexani wheels and painted the calipers red. We also lowered the back end of the truck by installing a Beltec shackle kit. And last of all, which you will see in the images to follow, we installed custom leather. Check out this video that we put together showing different stages of the build as well as the finished product.